AASHTO T121 covers determination of the density of freshly mixed concrete. To perform this procedure, you will need a sponge, water, a scale, a measuring bowl, a scoop, and a strike-off plate. Depending on the method of consolidation, you will also need either a tamping rod and mallet or an internal vibrator. For demonstration purposes, we will be showing the rodding method. To determine the method of consolidation, you must first perform the slump test. If the slump is greater than 3 inches, you must rod the concrete. If it's between 1 and 3 inches, you can either rod or vibrate the concrete. And if the slump is less than 1 inch, then you must vibrate the concrete. The first step is to dampen the measuring bowl, taking care to squeeze the excess water from the sponge. After the bowl has been thoroughly dampened, weigh the measuring bowl using the scale and take note of the weight before placing the bowl on a flat and level surface. When consolidating by the rodding method, the measuring bowl is filled in 3 layers of approximately equal volume. During the placement of each layer, move the scoop around the perimeter of the bowl to ensure even distribution and minimal segregation. The first layer should fill about 1/3 of the bowl. Then, rod the layer throughout its depth, but take care to avoid forcibly striking the bottom of the bowl while distributing the strokes uniformly over the cross-section. Once the layer has been rodded, close the voids and remove trapped air by smartly tapping the sides of the bowl with the mallet 10 to 15 times. Place the second layer, filling a total of 2/3 of the bowl, and rod through the full depth, penetrating the underlying layer by about 1 inch, then tap with the mallet as done before. When consolidating by internal vibration, the concrete is placed in only 2 layers of approximately equal volume. Between layers, insert the vibrator at 3 different points equally distributed over the cross-section, not allowing the vibrator to come in contact with the bowl. Sufficient vibration has been achieved when the surface of the material becomes relatively smooth. Over-vibration will result in segregation and loss of entrained air. When placing the final layer, try to gauge the volume so that an excess of about 1/8 of an inch of concrete will protrude from the top of the bowl after final consolidation. After consolidation, remove the excess material using a strike-off plate to leave the bowl level and full with no concrete protruding above the rim. Cover about 2/3 of the surface area with the plate and press down while withdrawing the plate in a sawing motion. Then place the plate back in the starting position and advance across the remaining 1/3 of the surface in the same manner until the plate clears the entire cross-section of the bowl. Tilt the plate and apply a few final strokes with the edge to produce a smooth, finished surface. Carefully remove all material from the outside of the bowl. When cleaning the rim, take special care to avoid removing any concrete from inside the bowl to avoid errors. Once the bowl is clean, weigh and record the mass of the filled bowl.